got them all there. I don't often get this.
Yeah, get that.
It's much different flaps, isn't it?
Yep.
Is it? It's carbon?
Yeah.
Give him a tap again, dude. What's that made of?
Carbon fibre. Very different to the fiberglass.
It's more thuddy. It's got the ring.
This, Adam. We're not worthy. Yeah, once you put the foam on them, they lose that ring.
Henry, take this shot.
Spoon fest.
Right the end of it. Hang on.
Nice finish, eh? Look at that.
How do you glue that now?
I just wrote split tails.
But you see, you're looking for speed now. You know, this is like, this is a Formula One, man. You don't leave anything on the table.
True. Right on. There's more.
Oh, well,
You waited to see the steak knives come in.
I just gave one to Rob Rennie's kid to ride, and Darren Blaze has got.
You
the
have
other
enough
one.
room in there for all these
Well, they've all been
boards?
in the back room. That's why I've got to get them out for you guys, because
Oh, look at that.
otherwise you'll have nowhere to sleep.
How they ride 3-fin.
Be honest, it is.
Yep. Originally they were 4 fins, and then
Yeah, you got to ride.
he was on it.
Jesus!
That's a Bob Bowden.
That's the Nomad Kimmerer Phase 4.
Far out, man. Unbelievable.
I mean, aren't they fucking great?
Yeah, they're classic.
And the interesting thing about that one is, I've actually, last time I rode that was 30 years ago, actually at the island on a really small day with a south swell, and it roller coasters so effortlessly.
Didn't you make some like that? That were more red and stuff?
Yeah.
You'll see. Can you say that again? Tubular flow.
Tubular flow on the V and the edge
Yeah.
of the concave, and laminar flow in the concave.
And what's the difference?
Well, laminar flow is where the water sticks to the surface. Greeno reckons that anything more than about a 400 grit surface,
Is enough.
it won't cling to it. It'll bead up and fall off. So you've got the two different systems. You've got one that beads up and falls off, and one that clings and forms a film.
Because you pat a dolphin or a shark and
It's a sharky skin.
Yeah, we did this back in the 60s, right?
Not.
And it was just like, gone.
So,
Jesus.
spin it around, Geordie. Look at that.
That's a pretty
Whoa.
long.
Yeah. So there's the intake.
Henry, remember?
Yeah.
Remember the
Well-
Courteaus?
Yeah, Hendrix did that.
Yeah, remember the one board, the Courteau?
Is there
with
air
the-
that comes out? Is there?
with the pipes
They're
coming
down the
through?
bottom.
Yeah, yeah,
there.
yeah. You know, it just sucks it out. when you
But
ride
look at
on
the
there.
channel. I mean, the
Well,
whole
it
thing. It's
equalizes
just
the
gnarly.
pressure.
Oh, I
is
know.
what
It's
it does.
insane.
The Venturi effect.
Why should the fin be straight down when it can be sideways?
Well, the first ones we built had a step that went like that and didn't go very well. So we kind of went, oh fuck it, let's just piss around and put a double one and make a double flex rail. And then oh, it's going to suck, so I better put an air vent in it. And you can lie on it and you can hear it sucking air.
Yeah.
What's this trippy shit?
Double flex rail.
As it
Well, it's
as
got, you can see how much reverse curve it's got. It's got bucket loads of reverse.